So today we are going to learn a new Google Doc interface, and on this interface how to present your screen or share your screen. So this is a Google Meet call that I have already connected, and on the bottom you see different buttons. Yeah, this Google Meet interface is a little bit different from the one you used to see before. It's updated. So now how to present or how to share your screen using this interface. So let me show you. See over here at the bottom, you have this present now button. There is a square and an arrow in that square. So you need to click on that icon. Once you click on that icon, you get three options: your entire screen, a window, a tab. So whenever you are sharing your screen with your friends or your teachers in your class, you should always select your entire screen. That lets us see your whole screen and what exactly is happening on your screen. So once you click on your entire screen, a new box will appear or a new window will open in on your screen. It will have a small screenshot of that screen that you are sharing, and below that they have two buttons, share and cancel. As of now the share button is not active, we cannot click it. Now what we need to do is we will click on this, or we will select this screen that we want to share, and then click on the share button. So whenever you click, I'll show it to you once again. When you click this present now button, that is a square with an upward arrow in it, you get three options. You will select your entire screen, you get a new window, there is a screenshot or a picture of a window. You will click on that window and then click on share button. If you don't select this window, or if you don't click on this window, the share button will stay inactive. You cannot click that button. Once you click on this picture, you can click on the share button. As you can see, the share button has turned into a blue color. So click on share and you have started your screen sharing. Okay, now if you want to stop sharing your screen, you have two options. See over here, you have stop presenting button on the top right corner in blue color, and below the screen also you have a stop sharing button. So you can click on either this button or either this button over here and you will stop sharing. So let's see how this happens. I have stopped presenting. So this is the new Google Doc interface, and this is the way you should share your screen. Thank you so much. I hope this was useful.